Understanding valve replacement, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, valve replacement. This is an interesting term that can be found in different contexts, and understanding it can be very useful, especially for those of you interested in fields like medicine, engineering, or even general English language proficiency. Let's dive into it and unravel the various aspects of this phrase. Before we delve into the phrase, valve replacement, let's first understand what a valve is. A valve is a device that controls, directs, or regulates the flow of a fluid, gases, liquids, fluidized solids, by opening, closing, or partially obstructing various passageways. Valves are crucial components in many different systems and machines, ranging from the human heart to engines and industrial pipelines. Now, let's break down the phrase, valve replacement. It essentially means substituting an old or malfunctioning valve with a new one. This can happen in various contexts. 1. Medical context. In medicine, valve replacement often refers to a surgical procedure where a damaged heart valve is replaced with an artificial one. This is a critical procedure for patients with heart valve diseases. 2. Mechanical engineering context. In the world of mechanics and engineering, valve replacement is a common maintenance or repair task. It involves replacing valves in machinery, like in car engines or industrial equipment, to ensure smooth operation. To better understand how valve replacement is used in different sentences, let's look at a few examples. 1. Medical example. The patient underwent a successful valve replacement surgery to treat her heart condition. 2. Engineering example. Regular valve replacement can significantly extend the life of your car's engine. 3. General use. After years of use, the valve replacement in the old water system improved the water flow dramatically. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of the phrase, valve replacement. Whether you encounter this term in a medical, engineering, or general English context, you now have a better understanding of what it entails. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new phrase you learn is a step forward. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.